If you have ever posted a video on YouTube, you know how frustrating it is when you get a 10 out of 10, and you know how confused you are when you don't understand why. Why didn't this video perform well? What is click-through rate? What is watch time? And there's so many different stuff that you need to focus on, and when you're creating your channel, basically YouTube gives you nothing. It doesn't, they basically tell you, go ahead, have fun, and we expect this from you, and but you're not. You have no idea what you're supposed to do. You know for a fact that you want to post videos about Legos or Minecraft, and when I'm at a restaurant with my friends, I'm like, oh, this food is really good, 10 out of 10. But no, 10 out of 10 on YouTube is the worst. So it's pretty confusing. And it feels like YouTube are keeping a giant secret from us that we need to figure out. So I have been deep diving into this thing, explain to you everything that I know. So first of all, when you are creating your channel, YouTube are providing you with 3 different types of stuff that they want you to follow. Appeal, so basically create a good thumbnail and title. Watch time, the overall numbers of your channel, so subscribers, views, likes and dislikes. They basically expect you to just figure out all of the numbers and those arrows, those freaking arrows, green arrows, gray arrows. Let's go ahead and explain this. So the first one, the appeal, branding your channel and finding your audience. Here's the thing that I see people tend to do so much. They are making, let's say, Minecraft videos, and they are making 20 Minecraft videos. They are starting a series, it's a lot of fun, but then after a while, they are getting tired of the game, so they switch it up to Fortnite, for example. Or they are really interested in Harry Potter, like myself, and after a while they think, no, I'm actually also interested in Star Wars, so I start to make Star Wars videos, which makes sense because you want to have your passion when you are making your videos. That makes totally sense. But here's the thing, after 20 Minecraft videos, when you make your first Fortnite video, YouTube doesn't really understand the content of the video. It doesn't really understand that you have been changing your mind. So when you are publishing that video, they will show it to all of your Minecraft viewers, and those viewers are not interested in Fortnite, they are interested in Minecraft. So then you have to post more and more videos on Fortnite for YouTube to understand, oh, we have changed now all of a sudden. If you have a channel and you decide to switch your niche and your topic, try to hide or privatize your old videos. Because what happened to me, my channel, this channel that you're watching right now, used to be a gaming channel. And so what happened was YouTube decided to still push my old gaming videos to the new subscribers. I wasn't here to learn, so I had to privatize. I didn't delete, but I privatized all of my old gaming videos. Now, fine, you have been posting around 100 videos. YouTube knows exactly what your channel is about, and they are showing your channel to the right audience. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want. So now we just have to make sure that those that are watching our videos are watching from start to finish, are not skipping around as much, and are hopefully subscribing and leaving a comment in the comment section. Comments are actually really good. When people are posting comments underneath your video and you reply to that comment, then YouTube thinks, oh, this is a positive, cool community. We want to push a cool community, so they start to share your channel even more. I don't know about likes and dislikes, but I know for a fact that it doesn't really matter if you get a like or a dislike. A like is generally just a rating. We can actually test this out. If you leave a like on this video right now, and I'm seriously meaning this, if you leave a like on this video right now, I will leave a comment down in the comment section in a few days to let you guys know if this helped or not. I never ask for likes or subscriptions. I do it by the end of the video. But if you want to subscribe and leave a like on this video so we can test and finally figure out, does it actually work? Okay, so let's go over to the third and final secret, and that is about you. The you in YouTube, to be yourself, to make sure that you are enjoying the videos that you are posting, that you are having fun, even if you have not made any money yet. All of the time that people are talking about, oh, you should never go into YouTube if you want to make money, even that's kind of true. We have to be realistic. We want to make some money from the work that we are doing. Me personally, I think it's perfectly fine to go into YouTube and having the thought that one day I will be making money. But if you start a channel with the mindset, I will be making a lot of money, cars, money, like no. Make sure that first of all, because you're going to be posting a lot of videos before you will learn and understand from YouTube. Then when you have been posting, let's say 200, 300 videos and you have been spending a lot of time practicing and you have been spending a lot of time on YouTube, then you will get paid. You will most likely, it can happen, but you will most likely not be paid by your first video. So make sure that you are going into YouTube with a bunch of passion and you have a lot of fun, because it has to be fun in order for you to be successful, because people are looking at your videos and they are seeing a person, and people are super smart. They understand, oh, this person is fake. If every single one of your videos are super positive, oh my god, then no, people will see right through you and understand that, oh, he's memeing it up for the camera. How long can you be a character? People want you to be yourself. Me personally, I am struggling all of the time with my English because I'm not the first English speaker. I have so many different Norwegian words that I need to translate. I have just realized that if I'm myself, it will be more fun and it will be more genuine and it will be more fun for the viewers to watch. So yeah, that's basically the secrets of YouTube. Watch time, appeal, being yourself, learning and understanding, and making sure that people are commenting underneath your videos and subscribing, and you can do the same thing. And have a nice day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Watch this one next. Esbjørn, peace out. Bye bye.